Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So I got something here today that's kind of unusual for my channel because I have a adventure channel about motorcycling, but this is something that I actually use on my channel because when I'm doing my videos and stuff, I use an Apple Watch, and I use the Apple Watch to do my screenshots, to do photography, pictures, to control my iPhone. So a band is pretty important out there riding around. You're out rugged on the motorcycle, need something good quality. And actually, the one that I have is not good quality. It's just a cheapie, but I mean, it's been working, but it's kind of a pain because it won't stay on here solid. It spins. This thing here, this type setup, it loosens. This fabric here stretches, but it don't stretch back right, so then it won't hold its shape. Once you stretch it out, then your band is loose. So just by wearing it daily, you're constantly having to tighten it up. So I wanted to get something better. And this company, Bandletic, reached out to me about their bands. And I noticed that they had one with the Fidlock buckle. Well, I'm used to using Fidlock buckle on my Climb dual sport helmet, and I love the Fidlock. They're like, to me, it's the best buckling system for a helmet that you can get. Well, this happened to have a Fidlock buckle on this watch band for the Apple Watch. So this is actually the Fidlock Sync 2.0 magnetic band. Because Fidlock, what it is, it actually locks, it hooks and locks, but it's magnetic into place, which we'll show you here shortly. I'll take these out of the box. You can choose from different colors. They have like a orange that I chose, and I chose a green to review. Now, they're not paying me nothing for this video. They just sent these to me to review. I'm not getting paid a dime from them to make this video. So I will also be showing it as I ride. I'll mention it, how it's holding up and stuff. We'll be trying it out because I wear this all the time, my Apple Watch Ultra, when I'm doing my riding. And as I said, this is what I use. It's a remote to control my phone. So as far as colors, you can get this in what I chose, which is the orange, the green, the black. You can get it. You can also get it in a gray colored band. So 4 different colors that it shows you can get this in. Let's go ahead and take these out of the package. We're going to try it out. Now this will fit Apple Watch. Pretty much is going to fit all the Apple Watches, even the Apple Watch SE, which I have one here. This is my wife's Apple Watch SE. And it will fit on here too because these bands are both the same. She actually uses the same type band until I get her something, but I'll probably end up getting her a Bandletic band to put on hers because this is about the same thing. It works, but there's definitely a lot better out there. So let's go ahead and open one of these up. We'll try it out. So I guess we just pull this right here. Open this up. Then we got a couple elastic straps just holding it inside here. You might be hearing the mourning dove outside. Pretty noisy. Here it shows a little card. Magnetic patented hook. Opens simply by lifting. Fidlock. So Fidlock makes these latches for them, obviously. So basically you got your band. It also has Velcro here where it opens up, and so you can adjust it wherever you want. So you just open it up, slide your buckle. You can adjust this wherever you want, center the buckle, and there you go. This is called the Trailblazer. It says right here on this little badge, it says Trailblazer by Bandletic. So it looks really good. Looks comfortable. This part here is not going to be nothing abrasive that's going to bother your wrist. And then as far as unlatching this Fidlock, you just pull up on this lever right here. It unhooks. So I'll zoom this camera in where you can see this a little better. Okay, so here's the Fidlock. You can see this hook right here. And what this does, you can see this pin right here. So this pin actually goes over this hook. And once you do, it's magnetic. It's going to try to click itself into place like that. Hopefully you can see that just fine, but it's real strong right here. Raise this up and it hooks. Just like so. So once you bring your band up and hook it, just like that. And that can't pull apart. You can pull as hard as you want. You're not going to pull that apart and break it. And it's like I said, this is the same style buckle that's on my Climb helmet, the Fidlock setup, which is really good quality. And as far as sliding it into your watch, same difference. It just slides in just like any other one and locks in, just like any other Apple Watch band right there. Feels like these are metal, probably aluminum, so really good quality. Okay, so let's take this one off, and I will go ahead and take this band off, and this little band here, pull it off. There's little buttons that you push right under here on your Apple Watch to release your band. This watch, of course, came from Apple with a silicone band, and it was okay, but as far as latching the silicone band, it was kind of a pain, so that's why I went with the type that I have. But we're going to go ahead and put this band on, and the way they showed to do it is you can do this two different ways. So you could actually put it to where your buckle is going to be at the top of your wrist. So here's my wrist, so you could have the buckle here, or you can have the buckle back here. The way they show it on their explanation video is putting it like this. We just slide this in, it latches in so it can't come out. We bring the other end around here, same thing. It just slides in right there in that rounded groove so it can't come out. And then once it goes all the way in, it's locked unless you push that button to release it. So there it is. Now I just need to loosen this Velcro right here, pull this back. This way I can put it on my wrist and adjust it to fit my wrist. So also they do have different length bands, and you can get a different length depending on your wrist size. You can measure your wrist and get the correct size. That's what I did when I told them what size I needed. Just measured my wrist and then told them what size I wanted. So we'll put this up over like this, and then we just bring this around. And then the cool part about this is now you can just set this to however snug you want it. Some people like them tight on the wrist. Some people like them really loose where they can spin it on the wrist. I like it not too snug, but about like that will be good on me. It's enough that I can still move it around, but it's not going to spin on my wrist. I don't want it spinning on my wrist. So there we go. Looks very good. This is really good Velcro here that holds. And then now as far as releasing it, it's kind of hard for me because twisting my wrist this direction is not so easy. Maybe easier to go under this way because where I have this. But we just pull this lever down and it unhooks. That simple. See how simple that is? So we'll just bring this back around and I'll hold the band with one finger like my thumb there. Run it up over here to where I hook it over that hook and snap it on. It's not really hard at all right there. So by placing my thumb right here, bring it up till I hook it over, and we're latched on. It's that simple. I'm going to go ahead and take and turn this around. I'll try it with the green band too. But this is the orange. The green is going to be exactly the same band, of course, just a different color. I like this because I use a lot of stuff that's military green. I just like the color. I like this orange color. So I wanted the military green because it does match my gear that I wear, my MSR gear for my off-road riding. So we just go ahead and take this one out. They really do a good job of packaging. I mean, everything here is top-notch. You can tell it's a real quality band, even a quality box they put it in. You can tell that Bandletic, they do their homework, make first-class stuff. So here is the green. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put this one on the Apple Watch SE. So Apple Watch SE takes the same band, same style button. Get it down there where I can push it. Slide this off. Same way here, push the button. Slide that off. And there we go. So I can show you that it fits it just like it does. I keep putting buttons here. I probably should have just turned the watch off. Would have made it more simple. So now we're going to do the same thing here. slide it in. You can see that it's the same width. I like that this band is wide instead of being skinny. It's even wider than this band. I got this band because it was wide, but as you can tell, this band is significantly wider, which I like the wide band. So now you can kind of see the green compared to the orange. Both look good. That's two different colors. And as I said, you can get it in the black and the gray also. So yeah, it fits the Apple Watch SE perfectly, just like it does the Apple Watch Ultra that I have here. So I like that. I'm actually going to put this green one on mine for now. I just wanted to try it on the SE just to make sure it works and show you that it does work. So we'll take this back off, flip this back. I like how easy that comes off. It comes off so simple compared to this one, because this one, it stretches over your wrist, so you kind of have to fiddle, stretching it up over your hand and putting it on. This goes on actually a lot easier. I'm going to try turning this around the other direction and see if I like it better that way. So probably easier when you take these off if you just have this out flat like that, so you can get in here to your button easier. So you can tell that they use not just nylon, a premium nylon. You can tell that by looking at the structure, how it's woven. It's not like this is a cheap, I don't even know if this is nylon, but cheap stuff. Just the sewing, you can see how this is made. It's just made cheaply. Everything about it. I mean, it works, but that's about it. This one here is a premium nylon, premium Velcro. All the buckles and latches, everything is premium about this. So there, if you want the Fidlock this way, then you can put it this way. Like I said, it'll work either direction, depending on you and how you want to put it on. So very nice. I'm really liking this band. Let's go ahead. I want to put the green on because green is what I'm going to actually use for right now, but looking good. So I also wanted to know too that where the buckle mechanism is, just so I don't irritate your arm. They do have this flap of the premium nylon stuff comes right down there over it. So basically it's just covering all that buckle. You don't have none of this up against your wrist. You have this flap covering that part, which is nice. Bring that around. Now I can just adjust it for my size. So you have quite a bit of adjustment. I mean, you're probably not going to get the wrong band because it has so much adjustment. You just wouldn't want to get one that's too big to where this would pull up too far. So I would definitely measure your wrist before you get one. But there you go. That is so nice. I love the looks of this band. Love the feel. I love how it buckles. I love the Fidlock. It's not ever going to come unbuckled on me. It's that simple. Pull it up. If you hold your finger right there, one finger, you can kind of control that. And once you get used to doing this, after a few times, it's going to be just like second nature. Like I said, I really like that Fidlock. Now, see, once you got it right, you don't actually have to worry about hooking it. If you get it up there in place, it will just hook itself. So maybe the way I have that. So if I just do that, instead of trying to hook it, if I just bring it up over, it's just you want to keep it from falling off your wrist when you do it. So it's like that. Don't try so hard to hook it. Just bring it up there. Once you bring it up there, it's going to latch and hook anyway. It really can't go wrong because the magnetic part pulls it right into place where it's supposed to be. And once this pulls back, it's in the hook. It's not going nowhere like I showed here. Once you get that in, there you go. Very nice. So super cool from Bandletic. They, like I said, they make quality bands. I also, when you check out their website, they make all kinds of bands, not just this one. They make different kinds of Fidlock stuff, different kinds of silicone bands, I believe, all kinds of different nylon bands. So you want to check them out. If you got an Apple Watch, other type watches too. I'm sure they make this band and a lot of other bands for different style watches besides the Apple Watch. So check out their website. I'll post a link below where you can check them out. But this here is the Trailblazer version. Got the badge on it here. It's the Fidlock Sync 2.0 magnetic band. And I will post a link in the description where you can check these out, guys. Like I said, I'll be wearing this. So you'll see this in all my videos when I'm riding. You'll see my wrist where I'm riding. And this will be the band I'm wearing. Or this one here. Depending on the day and the mood, you can choose what you want. As I said, check out Bandletic's website. I'll post a link below where you can check these out. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified when I put out a new video. We'll catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.